Hi there, this is Scott Bogart, CPA with Business Profitability and Tax Tips. Today I'm going to talk about IRS audits. The IRS and state governments are auditing more than ever, and the reason is because they're running huge deficits, they know that taxpayers cheat, and this is a very easy and efficient way for them to raise money. Therefore, you need to be aware of what triggers audits. The first thing you need to be aware of is 1099 income. 1099 is a way that third parties report transactions to the government, and the government matches those transactions with what you report in your return. The primary transactions that are being reported are independent contractor income, dividends and interest, sale of a house, or sale of stocks and bonds. If the IRS receives a 1099 and you don't report it, it'll get looked at and there's a good chance it'll be audited. The second thing to be aware of is having a Schedule C. A Schedule C is the statement that you use on your tax return to report your income from a business, which is being operated as a sole proprietorship. The important thing is to have good documentation for your deductions. An area that the IRS often looks at is your automobile expense. If you're claiming automobile miles, you need to track those. This includes who, when, where, why, and how far you drove. You also need to keep your invoices for business expenses. A problem that's occurring lately is that people pay their business expenses over the internet and they don't keep their documentation. All they usually have is a credit card statement or a bank statement with a debit charge on it, and these statements only show the payee and the date paid, but the problem is it doesn't have enough detail to support a business deduction. So it's essential that you keep your invoices that are related to these expenses. If you've taken liberties on your tax return that you shouldn't have and you get audited, you're much better off usually by just paying it and being done with it. But if you believe you've done it right, stand up for your rights, get some help, and push back. For more information on taxes and running a profitable business, please see my website, www.scottbogartcpa.com. That's SCOTTBOGARTCPA.com. Thank you.